Yo guys, how's it going? Welcome back to Crepflips. Now today I'm bringing you another unboxing, this time of the latest Yeezy Foam Runner, the Cream Clay. Now these released on the 2nd of August and I managed to pick them up for £70 in a size 6. Now if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe for more sneaker content and drop a like if you did enjoy the video. Now let's get into it. So, we just finished unboxing these Yeezy Foam Runners. I'm only going to do a short review just because I've unboxed a pair of foam runners before and I've expressed my opinions on them there. If you want to check that out, go click the card in the top right. But firstly, I'm going to talk about the colourway. It's a decent colourway. I like the cream better than like the grey of the other pair that we copped. But personally I wouldn't buy them for myself. These are a size 6 as I picked them up for a friend because she wanted them. So yeah, these are not my size. These are smaller than I normally get. So yeah, also their resale is looking quite high at the moment, about £200. I wouldn't recommend picking them up for that price just because you might as well get a pair of sliders, as I said in the last video, for a lot cheaper and they'll be as comfortable as these are. But if you did manage to pick them up for retail, they're only £70, they're quite comfortable, they're not too bad looking in terms of style, you can wear them with whatever. So yeah, if you pick them up for retail and you like them, you might as well keep them. If you enjoyed this review and unboxing, make sure to drop a like. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe so that you can stay up to date with all the content that we are dropping. I'll catch you in the next video.